G'day guys, I'm Akia Smith and this is my 2015 bike check. I have a We The People Justice frame, 20.5 top tube, and I have angles in other various places. I got Colony oil slick bar ends and Animal Edwin grips. I've got G-Sport bird cage in the front and G-Sport roll cage in the back. I got oil slick Colony spokes in front and the back, and I have profile minis, front and back in black, and Maxxis grifters in 2.10. I've got BSD ghetto forks. They're very nice, very responsive, I like them. What? I got Mutiny Glamroid bars, 8.5 rise, and I think they're 29 wide. Got a Colony headset and Colony stem. I've got a Stranger pivotal seat with just a We The People seat post and just a seat clamp, salt seat clamp. I got Colony jet fuel bottom bracket. I got a Colony Chris Courtney signature sprocket and jet fuel, and Shadow Conspiracy half link chain in chrome. I got Colony cranks and snappy anorexic pedals. That's my 2015 bike check. I hope you enjoyed looking at my very beautiful bike.